How to turn off sleep focus mode on iPhone. Quick access method. Start with the quickest method to disable sleep focus mode. Simply swipe down from the top right corner to open the control center. Look for the icon that looks like a bed. This indicates sleep focus is on. Tap the bed icon once to turn it off. You'll know it's off when the icon is no longer highlighted. Customization options. Dive deeper for viewers who want more control. Open the Settings app and scroll down to tap on Focus. Select Sleep from the list to customize its settings. Here, you can edit the schedule or turn off automatic activation by tapping on Schedule and adjusting it as needed. Deleting sleep focus. For those who want to remove the focus setting completely. At the bottom of the sleep settings, there's an option to delete focus. Tap this if you want to completely remove sleep focus from your iPhone. Other focus modes. If you're in the control center and want to switch to another focus mode, like Do Not Disturb, just long press on the sleep or focus text beside the icon. A menu will appear showing other focus modes. Tap on the one you wish to activate. And that's it.